In this video, we will learn that how you can delete all the blank rows if it is present in your MS Excel data very quickly by using a single click. Like you can see over here, there is a lot of blank rows present over here. If we want to delete rows manually, that will take a lot of time. We have to just select the row, right click and press delete. But there is a shortcut way. So first of all, you have to just select the data where you want to delete the blank rows. I have selected this data. After that, press F5 key from your keyboard. After pressing F5 key, just go to the special option over here and select blank radio button over here and press OK. You can see that all the row has been selected. After that, in order to delete it, just right click it and press delete button over here. After pressing delete button, select entire row over here and press OK. You can see that all the row has been deleted in a single click. Now the second method by which you can delete all the blank rows if the data is in unformatted form. So you have to just select the data over here and press F5 key from the keyboard. And again you have to select the special option over here, and again you have to select the blank option over here like we have done it previously. After that, press OK. You can see all the blank cell is been selected. After that, just right click over this data and press delete button. This time you have to select shift cell up and press OK. You can see all the blank rows has been deleted from the unformatted data very quickly. So if you like this video, do hit the subscribe button and also share this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care.